Hi, too many categories in your Power BI chart? Let's fix it in 5 minutes with a mapping table in Enter Data. I already imported a CSV file. In Power Query Editor, we have columns like category, product, and quantity. Make sure category is text and quantity is a number. Getting the data type right is really important, especially when we build relationships later. Now let's build a quick chart first. Go to Home, then click New Measure. I'm going to create a measure called Sum Quantity. Tap this. Press Enter. You'll see the measure and the sales on the right. Now go to Report View. Choose Clustered Column Chart. Drag category to the X-axis. Drag sum quantity to the Y-axis. Now you can see the problem. Too many categories in real project. This isn't very manager-friendly. Now let's group these small categories into bigger ones. In Report View, click Enter Data. Here we'll create a mapping table. You can enter data manually here. I'll paste the mapping data from my CSV. Rename the table to Mapping Table. If everything goes into one column, don't worry. Click Edit. Go to Transform, Split Column by Delimiter. Choose comma as the delimiter. Click OK. It has two columns, category the same as the sales table, category group, our new bigger groups. Next, check the data types. Both columns should be text. Click Close and Apply. Now go to Model View. Power BI may create the relationship automatically. If you double-click the line to open Edit Relationship, we link Sales Table to Mapping Table on Category, Many to One, with single direction filtering. That's perfect. Now let's build the new chart. Go back to Report View. Create another clustered column chart. Drag category group to the X-axis. Drag sum quantity to the Y-axis. Now the chart is much cleaner, but you might see one bar called blank. That means some categories are missing in the mapping table. To check what's inside blank, I'll use a matrix. Click Matrix. For rows, add category group from the mapping table, then category from sales. For values, add sum quantity from sales. Now click the expand icon. Under blank, you'll see the categories that were not mapped. Let's fix it. On the right side, find Mapping Table. Right-click Edit Query. In Applied Steps, click the gear icon next to Source. Now we are back in the Enter Data window. We can add the missing categories here manually, use the same format with a comma. Example, VR headset, comma, computer. Don't add extra spaces after the comma. Extra spaces can cause matching issues later. Click OK, then close and apply. Now go back to the chart. Perfect, the blank bar is gone. Quick note, only tables created by enter data can be edited like this. If your table comes from get data, you can't manually type new rows here. You need to edit it in Power Query or in the source file. Last tip, use enter data for small helper tables like mapping tables. But remember, it's manual, so it's not for big data size or regular updates. Alright, that's it for today. See you in the next video.